Okay, let's take these last three questions for homework here. So let's see if we can figure out how many adult size t-shirts you can purchase. All right, try this one on your own, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, hopefully we got that she can buy no more than 55 shirts. All right, so we're gonna let X equal the number of the adult size shirts. We already know that she can only buy 45 of the youth, so we don't need a variable for that one. Okay, so we should have an inequality for this one. Okay, because no more than means she can spend up to that, but she can't go above it. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go. Okay, we're gonna multiply together the first part here. So 550 is going to be greater than or equal to 6.25x plus $202.50. Subtract the 202.50 for both sides. Okay, it's 47.5 is greater than or equal to 6.25. Divide both sides by 6.25, and we're going to end up with an answer of 55.6 is greater than or equal to x. We can flip that around and kind of read it as x is less than or equal to 55.6. So we know that you can't go above 55 shirts, okay? And if you plug in, you can see if we plug in 56, we get just above 550, get 552.50. So we know that we can't get 56, but we can spend a little bit less, okay, and get 55 shirts. Okay, good job on that one. All right, let's take a look at the ratio question. Remember, we're looking for the common factor in this one. Common factor. All right, let's see how we do. All right, so you should have ended up with 27, 30, and 90 for the measures of the angles there. So remember, x is our common factor. Question, remember, as soon as we see the ratio, we're going to attach an x onto those numbers. So 3x, 10x, 7x, added together equals 180 because it's the measure of the angles of the triangle. So 20x equals 180, divide by 20, and we're going to get x equals 9. All right. And let's try that last one. And we'll go over this. Remember, this is the one with the circles with the pounds. Okay, so see if you guys can do this one. Take a look at your notes if you need help with it. All right, so hopefully you ended up with 64 pounds of the 50-cent candy and 16 pounds of the 75-cent candy. Let's see how we did it. So remember, we have X pounds of 50 cents candy. There's a total mixture of 80 pounds, so it's 80 minus X for the other type of candy. So one's X, one's 80 minus X. And then we can kind of make our circles here for ourselves, right? So X and then the 50 cents, 80 minus X and the 75 cents, and then 80 times the 55 cent. So our equation, 0.50 times X plus 0.75 times 80 minus X equals 80 times 0.55. Okay, gonna go ahead and distribute through. So we're gonna get 60 minus 0.75x, and then we're gonna do that combo move here. We're gonna move that 60 over, and we're going to combine like terms. So, only lets me go back so far. So we're gonna do this one together here. All right. Oh, there it is. So we subtract 60 from both sides. We're gonna get negative 0.25x equals negative 16, and then divide up by negative 0.25 to get 64. And then 80 minus 64 is where the 16 comes from. That is the end of our review sheet. All right, so Thursday, there's going to be a little graded assignment for you guys. Okay, the sub is going to get it out to you. I should be back on Monday right now, so I will get it on Monday and then correct it and put it in for you guys. All right, as a special guest, you can stop now if you'd like, or you can stick around for a special drawing by my daughter, Kate.
Hi, I'm going to be drawing a flower and I'm the best. Well, first I draw the stick, but except it's blue or blackish. Then I draw the leaf. Then I draw the pollen. And then I draw the leaves on the flower. And then after that, I make a rainbow. And then there's a rainbow sky and a rainbow sun. and a B.
Very B, like it.
Hold on. Okay.
Good job. All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
I love it. All right, guys, have a great night. See you in the next one.
Bye.